Explaindio 4 is the latest and renewed version of the immensely popular third version of Explaindio Video Creator. It allows anyone, no matter what their experience level is, to create professional-appearing videos. But not just ordinary videos. No. It allows you to create 2D and 3D animation, whiteboard sketch style, full motion, and explainer videos. And you can combine these element types of videos all into one powerful, attention-grabbing video. And as awesome extra feature, you can make all kinds of beautiful transitions between sketch and video, and/or play them all together inside one video. You just have to see what's possible. Watch this short demo video to see what 4 types of videos you can create with Explaindio 4. Main features of Explaindio 4. Over time, Explaindio has added additional features in each upgrade. Below the main features per version. Hence, if you already have a prior version, you can easily decide whether it is worth to upgrade. Note, current users of Explaindio 3 are automatically upgraded to version 4, but if you still have version 1 or 2, you have to buy version 4 to get all new features. Main version 1 features: easily create professional sketch whiteboard hand drawing videos. Easily create animated explainer videos that also include whiteboard sketch and HD video clips. Easily create TV commercial style videos with full HD video backgrounds that you can overlay with text, graphics, characters and more. Easily import HD video clips into slides and activate the audio without going through the hassle of using an external program. Explaindio will resize and move the animated elements in your videos as you wish. You can even import slides from video macros. Main version 2 extra features: multiple professionally designed animation templates and graphics preloaded into the software. Royalty-free background music tracks. A video template marketplace where you can download additional templates, music and other video making tools from other vendors. Main version 3 extra features: full 3D animations with option to import external 3D elements and show multiple animations at the same time. Import videos in all kind of formats like AV, WMV, FLV, MOV, and MP4. In the prior versions, you could only import MP4 videos, multiple animations at the same time. Full multi-timeline editing. Full 3D animations. Imported external 3D elements. 3D models and animation customization. Keyframe animation. New built-in transitions. Extra import feature to import videos in other popular formats: AV, WMV, FLV, MOV besides MP4. Yosin and Pixabay Integratin. Extra sketch images, animated scenes, HD video backgrounds, audio tracks, and fonts. 180 plus pre-made text animation. 140 plus pre-made video, image, doodle objects animations. Main version 4 extra features: cloud access to video assets. Why you should buy Explaindio 4? Because with Explaindio you have the best animation, doodle sketch, explainer, and motion video creation software on the market. No other video creation software combines all these features into one single desktop application. This software is plug-and-play easy, turning you from video novice into video expert just by playing around. Now you can impress your leads clients with cool effects and create high-converting sales or demo videos. Of course, you can use the software for any type of video you want. Just for fun, your kids will love it, or for business. Before, it would cost you fortunes to buy these kind of sketch and/or animation videos. Now you can create them yourself. Especially if you take into account the low price. You can get access to Explaindio 4 for a yearly fee of $67 or one-time fee of $497 with unlimited personal usage rights. The offer has a 14-day no questions money-back guarantee period.